Unlock the power of artificial intelligence, even when the internet is out of reach. Today, we're diving deep into using Deepseek AI completely offline, giving you control over your AI processing without needing a constant connection. The first crucial step is understanding what you need for offline Deepseek. You'll be running models locally. This means you need robust hardware, specifically a powerful machine with a good graphics card, often referred to as a GPU. Your GPU is the powerhouse for AI computations, so ensure it has sufficient VRAM, which is dedicated memory for graphics processing. The higher the VRAM, the larger and more complex the models you can run. Next, we need to get the Deepseek models. This involves a download process. And for offline use, you'll be downloading the model files directly onto your computer. Think of these as the brains of the AI. These downloaded model files can be quite large, so make sure you have ample storage space once downloaded. You'll typically need to place them in a specific directory that your AI software will look for. Now, for the software, you'll require an interface or framework that can load and run these downloaded Deepseek models. This often involves using libraries designed for local AI inference. This software acts as the intermediary, translating your requests into operations that your hardware can execute on the AI models. Configuration is key. You'll need to point your chosen AI software to the directory where you saved your downloaded Deepseek models. This allows the software to find and utilize them. The process of running Deepseek offline means you'll be interacting with the AI through your local machine. You'll pose your queries or provide data directly to the software. While offline AI offers incredible benefits like enhanced privacy and independence from the internet, it's important to acknowledge its limitations. Offline models might not have access to the very latest cloud-based updates or the most cutting-edge research instantly. However, for many tasks, running Deepseek locally provides a powerful and reliable AI experience, always at your fingertips.